Hello friends, I am Dr. Ranga. I am a medical oncologist, a cancer specialist residing in Gurgaon. So me and my wife, we are both our senior citizens and we stay here with our help, domestic help, and our children are not here with us. Though we have a 2-floor house, because of my wife's little illness and our age, it's a little difficult to climb the stairs every day. So that's the reason why we decided to have an elevator at home. Our house was not designed to have an elevator. I mean, some of the houses, they have this thing, we didn't have any space. So then we were looking all over and then we found the elite elevators. And then without damaging anything, without any construction, so that we create the space for the elevator, which was touching our balconies from in all the places, all the 3 things. It's almost 1.5 years that we've been using it. And I must say that it's a very elegant, very nice elevator. And we've been having guests who are our friends and almost like us, they're all of them senior people. Find it difficult to climb the stairs and all that. So when they took it, I mean, they felt suddenly, I mean, because they also been using various kinds of elevators in their homes and flats. And when they saw this, I mean, they were all flabbergasted, and then they all said, I mean, this is absolutely fine. And the openness of the elevator and the internal ambience, which was extremely good, and the aesthetics, and the important thing is noiseless. And then we could see the entire, the house from the beginning, I mean, everything. It's a very nice, elegant elevator and smooth operation. So I think it's been a very pleasant experience to us. And then we're very happy to have it. Yeah, thank you very much.